Here we are over in Glossop this morning, installing a Starlink for a industrial unit. This Starlink had to go right up on the apex to stay well away from them trees. However, self-tappings would not have supported the bracket very well, so I've gone right the way through with threaded rod with 13mm bolts on the other side, clamping it together. Straight down with a cable pulled tight, clipped into the brickwork. Along and a nice finish with a brick plate. This unit was only getting offered 6 megabytes per second off BT. I've showed up, installed the Starlink along with a mesh system. Now the full unit is getting 200 megabytes plus all throughout. Used an 18-inch by 12 galvanised bracket, a 3.5 foot 2-inch mast, and our very own pole adapters. This is Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.